Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO X60 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, simply pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle. So for me, the battery saver toggle is right here. Once you find it, you can simply tap on it, and there we go. It enables dark mode by default to preserve battery, but we'll also do a couple things in the background, like as an example, disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device goes to sleep. And sleep is considered this state when you're not using it. I know there's also a couple other things you can do to prolong your battery. As an example, dropping your brightness. Dropping it by halfway from like max will yield you a decent amount of battery life. So keep that in mind if you're trying to really preserve it. And additionally, you can also turn off toggles that you don't use. So if you're, for instance, using only Wi-Fi, disable your mobile, disable Bluetooth if you're not using it. NFC, you can also turn it off. Ultra gaming mode, don't know if that will affect the normal performance of the device, meaning like when you're not gaming. There's a possibility that it overclocks it all the time for gaming mode, but I'm just kind of guessing with this one. So you can test it out if it yields you better battery life with it on or off. So anyway, once you're also done with this power saving mode, you can simply turn it off by tapping on the toggle once again, and this will bring the device back to the default state. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.